Tandoori chicken. Who doesn't like tandoori chicken? It's one of the dishes that we all order when we go to a restaurant. So how about making it at home? So yes, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back again with another recipe video. Today I'll be sharing with you recipe of making tandoori chicken at home in my version. So let's get started. To begin with, I'll show you what ingredients we need. So here I've taken 6 pieces of chicken legs, which I've washed, cleaned, tapped, and you can see I've even put incisions in it so that all the masala, the marination goes inside it. Here I've taken cooking oil, yogurt. This is roasted fenugreek leaves, ginger garlic paste, chaat masala powder, salt, red chili powder. This is spicy one. Coriander powder, Kashmiri red chili powder. This gives good color. It's not spicy. This is tandoori chicken masala. This is melted butter and coriander, which I'll be using it at the end to baste the chicken. And this is the tandoori masala that I've used. This is completely optional. You don't necessarily have to use this brand. It's up to you whatever brand you want to use, or you can use garam masala as well. So let's begin. The first step is to marinate the chicken. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in 1 spoon of salt. This is as per your taste, how salty you want. 1 spoon of red chili powder, how spicy you want. So I'm going to add in as per my choice. You add in as per yours. 1 spoon of tandoori chicken masala. You can add in garam masala if you don't have. 2 spoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. This gives good color. So I'm not adding in artificial color to it. It's up to you. If you want to add, you can add in. Half spoon of chaat masala powder. 2 spoon of coriander powder. 1 spoon of dry roasted fenugreek leaves. Spoons of ginger garlic paste. Cup of yogurt. And now mix it. Make sure the entire masala goes in all the incisions of the chicken and it gets marinated very well. I'm going to mix it and massage the entire masala to every piece of chicken nicely. Now I've marinated the whole chicken. You can see how nicely it's been marinated. I've made sure it goes in entire incisions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover and leave it for about 20 minutes. If you have more time, you can leave it overnight also. Since we are doing it straight away, I'm just going to leave it minimum for 20 minutes. So I'm going to cover and leave it for about 20 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes. The chicken has been marinating. To give it a typical tandoor flavor, what I'm going to do a trick. Here you can see I've kept a charcoal for burning. So I'm going to smoke this chicken to give it that typical flavor, smoky flavor. So our charcoal is hot. I'm going to put a bowl in it and transfer this charcoal to this bowl. Put 1 spoon of oil on it and you can see how nice smoke is coming out, and I'm going to cover and leave it for about 10 minutes so that the chicken gets nicely coated with that smoky flavor. So now finally our chicken has marinated very well. You can see how nicely our chicken is smoked. Be very careful, this will be very hot. So you take a holder and take it out. So now next step what I'm going to do is I'm going to fry it on a pan. For this I've got an oven also, but I'm showing you on a pan for people who don't have oven so that they can do it this way also. So chicken is marinated. I've kept a pan here which is hot. To this, I'm gonna add in some cooking oil. Let it become a bit hot. Now the oil is hot. I'm gonna transfer chicken. Gas is on medium. I'm gonna transfer one pieces of chicken to it. I'm gonna let it cook for about 10-15 minutes on each side by twisting it in between and cooking it, making sure everything has been cooked very nicely. Make sure the gas is not hot or fast on high because it will cook from outside and it will be raw from inside. You don't want to do that, so make it on medium. This will take about 15 to 20 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes. What I'm going to do, I'm going to flip it over just to make sure it's cooking uniformly from both the sides. And let it cook from the other side. Now you can see how nicely our chicken has been cooked from both the sides. So what I'm going to do is I'll move on to the next step. See how yummy it is turned. So I'm just going to roast this on the gas. Be very careful so that it gets a typical smoky flavor. Burnt marks of a tandoor. Just making sure it gets charcoal from all the sides, a bit crispy. And roasted. I'm going to do the same for all the chicken pieces, and you can see how nicely a tandoori chicken is already. I'm going to do the same for all the pieces. Now our chicken is all ready. Before plating, I'm going to just baste it with some melted butter and coriander. To all the pieces. It's all ready, so I'm going to do the plating and show you. So guys, I've finally done the plating. Let me show you how it's turned out to be. So that's the tandoori chicken that we made. I've served it with some onions, lemon, and this is mint chutney, which I usually make it when I'm making tandooris. If you guys want the recipe for it, I'll show you. But see how yummy it's turned out to be. First, I'll show you how nicely it's been cooked. So nice, tender and juicy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to taste and show you. First, I'll take one plate. 1 spoon. First, I'm going to take one piece in my plate. Squeeze in some lemon. Take in some mint chutney. And taste and show you. I'm gonna dip it in the mint chutney. What a taste. It's same like restaurant. It's turned out to be so tasty and yummy, so soft and tender. The masalas is being so perfect. It's not even hard, it's soft the way it should be. It's grilled from outside and soft from inside. You can add in spices as per your choice, the quantity, the salt, the pepper, the chili powder. You don't even have to go to a restaurant to enjoy this recipe. Try the way I have showed you. It's gonna make your day. Quick, easy, simple recipe of tandoori chicken at home. You can make it on a gas. You don't really need an oven to make it, as I've showed you. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked my video. If you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in your next video. Till then, be happy and stay safe.